basically a 3D model from a 2D image is the title. And what you have generally, if you do a CT scan, you will get the cuts like this. From the top view, if you see, let's say this is your CT scan image of a brain, and you can see a tumor sometimes, and you can get the idea of whether the tumor is present or not. But from these 2D scans, like this is like a fruit and you chop it off in different layers. If I show you one slice, it won't be good enough to justify how your fruit is. So same way you have 2D images from CT scan machine or MRI scan machine, and now you need to club them to make a 3D model of it. So you just keep your slice one after another, and then you make a 3D out of it. So now you have a slice which is like this, and this all conversion will be done in MATLAB. So finally you actually see your brain, and then you can see a 3D tumor. You can rotate this thing, and where the location of tumor you can get, whether it's a malignant tumor or its type of tumor, whether it's a edge near to the edges of the brain or it's in the center. And if you do it monthly, let's say after 1 month, after applying chemotherapy, so if that tumor size has gone down, so you can predict delta T after, let's say, 3 months this tumor will be killed, because chemo kills everything. You can't keep on giving chemotherapy. You must have seen their hair loss and all the problems. So basically chemo has a reaction, but to survive they should kill the cancerous cell. So cancerous cells are your own cells, and you are killing your own cells, so it should be very limited. So if you know the growth which is it's going down, you can predict after 2 months the tumor will be gone. So you can stop the chemotherapy at the same point. Or if it is growing or if it is not changing, then you can say this chemo drug is not working, something like that. So that is a secondary advantage, that analysis from this 3D plot. It's entirely a software project developed in MATLAB.